Dearest, I missed you so much. Glowing Trevor.
What a stupid name, Trevor.
I lived at the tall. Look at my muscles.
That's disgusting, Trevor.
You're glowing, Trevor.
What's your secret?
210 kilo study on the bench press.
I hate Trevor. Ah!
Darling, dearest.
What a stupid
I
name,
missed you so
Trevor.
much. I missed you, Trevor. Hold me, Trevor.
Just shut up.
Hold me, Trevor. I love you, Trevor.
What a stupid name, Trevor.
I'm in love. I'm in love.
Yuck, Trevor.
yes.
You're eager. I found my one true love. I'm in love.
I'm in love for the first time. I'm in love for the first time.
I'm happy.
You're growing.
You're perfect. I found my
My
one
true love.
my one
Love.
Kiss and dance and kiss some more. I dance a little maybe when I'm done, they'll finally be gone. One night down, but I will just respawn. There is gold here if you want it. There is rest here if you want it. Stay and recharge, rest and renew if you want to. There is gold here, come and get it. Everything you want here. Who are you? I'm the Plunderator. I'll be your friend if you want one. There's gold here, and I want it. Come closer, get the gold, dear. Don't you want it? I've never met a friend in killing ground before. Why are you helping me? Where are the enemies? Oh, get the gold, dear. Just get the gold, dear. Don't worry that I'm here. I'm one of your friends, dear. Just get the gold, dear. Is this a trap? Just come get the gold, dear. Don't tell me that. Don't worry that I'm here. I'm one of your friends, dear. I knew it was too good to be true. Help, please, my health is depleting. Come let her get me. Help, please, my health is depleting. Come let her get me. Help, please, help, please, help, please. Two lives down.
And spit you out. When I'm done, you will, without a doubt, never see light again.
He will let you up and spit you
out.
When he's done,
you will, without a doubt, never see light again. And spit you out. When I'm done, you will, without a doubt, never see light again.
I am prepared to meet the Megalotron. To be the one I kill.
Prepare to meet your doom. I will eat you up and spit you out.
No, you won't.
When I'm done, you will, without a doubt, never see light again.
Only if you catch me.
Easy! Charge!
Help! Please! My heart is depleting! Promise you get this! No! Help! Please! My heart is depleting! Come and get me! Help! Please! Iffy, I've turned off your game, dear. I hope you don't mind. I've got something to tell you. Big news! Iffy, Iphigenia!
Don't worry, she just stuck in her game. She'll be thrilled for us. Who wouldn't be? What little girl doesn't want to be a bridesmaid and have a handsome father like me?
It's so quiet, I'll just check.